and got $265 worth of stuff for zero spent from my account on No Spend November, day 3. Picked up my PC Express order and some milk from Flash Food that was free with Flash Food credits. Got my Starbucks for free with stars. I needed a car wash, so I redeemed 10,000 PC Optimum points for a free $19 wash. Got home and put away the groceries. They were $178, but I used $170 in points and $8 from the cash stash, and I earned $8 back in points. And now I start building next year's cash stash. I claimed $4 on checkout 51 for the razors. I claimed these on Eclipsa for $1. These on Swag Bucks. I got 3 air miles for the bagels. And then I downloaded my receipts to Amazon Shopper Panel, Receipt Jar, and Cattle. Last on my household maintenance printable was to clean the car, and that's a wrap on household maintenance for the week, so no chores on the weekend. Then my No Spend November cash stash and I met a friend for happy hour at Moxie's. I spent $24 from the cash stash, came home and found a BOGO deal for dinner on Uber Eats. Again, paid for that with the cash stash. And that's how I earned over $13.